heater. Now I'm checking my meter. This what's the problem? The heater okay, transformer, this fan, here fuse. All I check in my meter.